Stop 1. Problem of the day. Every morning, my mentor teacher writes a problem of the day on the board. This problem includes 1 math question and 1 vocabulary question. The students have 10 minutes to answer the problem of the day on their problem of the day sheet. The vocabulary question usually involves recall of some kind. For example, write a sentence that includes a noun, adjective, verb, and adverb. Underline each part of speech in your sentence. In order to track their progress with their writing and understanding, the teacher collects the problem of the day sheets at the end of each week and keeps them in a file. Students also share their answers with the class. This tool can be used to have a visual track record of their writing progress. When it's time for final assessments at the end of the term, the teacher has visual proof of the student's writing progress. The problem of the daytime is integral to the structure of this classroom. The students are able to sort of get their brains in gear while settling down and getting ready to learn. This time is also used by the teacher to conference with students about their literacy. The teacher has a literacy book filled with reading running records and various other assessment tools for their literacy. These are what drive the conferences with the students. Having this time set in place to practice vocabulary that is critical to reading comprehension is going to help build their vocabulary and also get their brains ready for learning. With this practice, the teacher is going to start off the day with engaged minds and on-task learners. As well, Cunningham and Allington state that beginning each day with a conference with your reader makes all your students look forward to their weekly one-on-one time with you. The objectives from the curriculum that are found in this stop would be 1.1, discover and explore. So use prior experiences with oral, print, and other media texts to choose new texts that meet learning needs and interests, and read, write, represent, and talk to explore and explain connections between prior knowledge and new information in oral, print, and other media texts. There's also 2.1, use strategies and cues. So monitor understanding by evaluating new ideas and information in relation to known ideas and information. And integrate and apply knowledge of phonics, sight, vocabulary, language and context cues, and structural analysis to read unfamiliar words and texts of increasing length and complexity. Depending on the problem of the day, many other outcomes can also be met. So if you focus a problem of the day on revision, then there's objectives from the curriculum that are about revision, and then those objectives would be met. So these are the basic ones that are generally met with the problem of the day, but they get more specific depending on the problem.